Welcome to 3910 Paso de Lagos here in beautiful Bonsall. The main house is single-level living, open concept, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, beautifully remodeled in 2022. The basement has been converted into a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, open concept ADU with beautiful French doors, and you're gonna see there's views from everywhere. Check out the video and let us know what you think.
This property is situated at the end of a cul-de-sac on 11.35 fenced acres of avocado and lime groves. There's too many additional fruit trees to name, but just to name a few, Meyer lemon, oranges, pomegranates, and the best kumquats I've ever tasted. You can see behind me the beautiful vistas where you enjoy magnificent sunrise and sunset views. This property has a newly installed well in 2022 and a recently pumped septic system. It's been converted to all electric, so all it needs is a well pump and the solar for you to have completely off-grid living. Enjoy country living here, growing your own food and collecting your eggs in the nearby completely enclosed chicken coop. This is such an amazing property with endless possibilities.